If you want to learn how to get free stars on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method you can use inside Telegram, plus another way through channel giveaways that can help you find bonus stars from creators and communities. Just remember to always be careful, only use official Telegram features when possible, and avoid anything that looks suspicious or asks for your private login details. If this video helps, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're inside, tap the settings menu. Depending on your device, this may be in the bottom right or in the side menu. In settings, look for the My Stars section. This is where Telegram keeps the options related to stars, rewards, and earning opportunities. When you open My Stars, you should see an option that says Earn Stars from Mini Apps. Tap that option. This will take you to available mini apps and earning programs that can reward you with stars for completing specific tasks. These programs are usually designed to encourage activity, so take your time and read the instructions before joining anything. Now, under programs, select one that looks relevant and trustworthy. Once you find a program you want to try, tap Join Program. After that, follow the instructions carefully and do all the tasks it gives you. These tasks may include interacting with the mini app, completing simple actions, or reaching a certain goal within the app. Make sure you complete every requirement exactly as shown, because if you skip a step, you may not receive the reward. As you go through the process, keep an eye on the details. Some programs may have deadlines, limited spots, or specific conditions for earning stars. If anything is unclear, read the program description again before moving forward. The main idea here is to use Telegram's built-in earning options and complete the tasks properly so you can maximize your chance of getting free stars. Now let's move on to another method, channel giveaways. This is a great option if you want to discover extra opportunities from creators and public communities. Many Telegram creators host giveaways where they give Telegram stars to their audience or community members. To find these, look for public channels or groups related to Telegram rewards, giveaways, or creator communities. When you join a giveaway channel or group, always check that it's public and that the giveaway rules are clearly posted. Legitimate giveaways usually explain how to enter, what the prize is, and when the winner will be selected. Follow the instructions exactly, whether that means joining the channel, reacting to a post, commenting, or completing another simple action. It's also a good idea to stay active in the communities you join, because some creators reward loyal members over time. Still, always be cautious. Never pay money just to enter a giveaway, and never share sensitive personal information. Real giveaways should be simple, transparent, and safe. So to recap, the first method is to open Telegram settings, go to My Stars, tap Earn Stars from Mini Apps, choose a program, join it, and complete all the tasks. The second method is to search for public channel or group giveaways hosted by creators who gift Telegram stars to community members. If you use both methods carefully, you may be able to discover more opportunities to earn stars without spending extra money. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.